go. Got the lid. Quick start guide. That stuff. You got your tube, your hard tube, your elbow. This is your 5-way shootout for your mist power plug. And of course, always awesome instructions with a cleaning brush. Fucking awesome. That's great. Basically, we'll go over this guide, make sure everything's right. So I love the wheels, man. I love how easy it rolls. And my tent's all messed up with plastic right now. Dirty. Look at this thing. Rolling easy. Easy. It's gonna make growing these vegetables so nice. Alright, there it is. Step 1, insert the probe into the jack to click sound heard. Step 2, install pipe or flexible hose. Plug in outlet, commercial use. Well, we're not ready to use this quite yet until we're ready to set everything up, but this is the new Vision VivoSun H19 humidifier smart controller. Love what you grow. Grow it so you know it. Alright, YouTube, I was wrong, but here's the dimensions if you want them. Water tank, 5 gallons, 19 liters. It's 100 watts to use. Operating humidity range 20% to 99%. Operating temp is 41 to 122. But there it is. I'm gonna use the hose probably to hose it in on mine. Nice unit though, man. Beautiful made. Beautifully made, man. I messed up earlier. This is actually the sensor. So you run this in your tent for your humidity. And like I said, you can run this in your tent like this as it is set up. Or you can run it outside your tent and pump in through your vents up the top. So it's pretty much versatile. I'm happy to have it. Now I just gotta change my fans to the new 9-inch fans and I'll be good.